How to install Sketchup for free. To download install Sketchup for free, type this link on the browser. First, from your browser, go to the Sketchup website from this link. Once you are on the Sketchup website, you will be directed to the download page where you will see different versions of Sketchup for different operating systems. Make sure select the Windows version. This will download the Sketchup installer for Windows 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the instructions and you will be up and running in no time. After install the Sketchup program, open it. Then sign in. Then click Start Trial. Now you are good to go using this software. And that's how you can install Sketchup for free. Thanks for watching.